guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. In this week's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I pack my tiny house for a long distance move. I'm moving tomorrow. In fact, this will be posted on November 29th, 2020. I need to pack for that long distance move. This packing is not going to be the same as last time. I packed for a move, but I was in the campground in another location. I packed up my house like it was a long distance move. And guess what? Not one thing moved in the tiny house. But moving very long distance to another state, I'm going to show you stuff that I do to keep my house secure. I've never done this before, so we're gonna try it out and see how it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stick around with me. I'm gonna start off by showing you all the stuff that I have to work with. I have also saved up some boxes from Amazon so we could reuse those rather than going out and buying more boxes. All my tinctures, most of the products that are in the 4 cabinets is going to be going in here. I'm going to be using all of my throw pillows as cushioning for the cabinets. These will be taken off of here before I move, and I'll put them on the floor, box to box to box, so that nothing is shifting around on the floor. With so much room left in these cabinets, I'm going to be filling them with stuff that's in the office so that I don't have to use the bins. Next, we're going to work on packing my bedroom loft. I'm going to put them in my clothes bin and use the clothes as padding. You know what? That was a lot harder than I thought, of course, because it took like 5 freaking days to pack my whole house. The business office took the most work and the most time because there's about 300 products in there times however many products that I have. I had to make sure that all of the breakable products, which meant the glass and the crystals, were cushioned so that they don't move around during travel. I hope this video helps you guys if you guys are moving long distance. I have not moved yet, so we will see how this travel goes, and I'm sure you'll hear all about it. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and click the notifications bell so you can receive a notification every time I post a new video, which is every Sunday. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video. I packed everything up as if I was moving to another, like, you know. I'm moving soon and I've got to pack all my stuff. Now, why? Hey guys, what's going on? Whoa. Woo! That was close, it almost broke. But I have vacuum parts down there so it didn't break. Rocky. That's my territory, bitch. Whisper, whisper. Come on. Come on. Don't you fuss. You fussing? Hey.